Hello, my name is Benjamin, and I'm here at the Jamminontiedyestudio, and today we're going to be doing a demonstration of the color Raven Black, just in time for Halloween. And so today we're going to make a 10 foot by 20 foot wall panel that will be inspired off of a raven. And we'll be doing a saturation dyeing where we fold it up. It's going to be twisted and turned and knotted and layered, and then we're going to put it into a bin and we're going to saturate it with Raven Black. Hopefully what comes out at the end is a big raven-like phoenix angel creature creation thing. So, Raven Black is a new black by Dharma trading company that is really black. You know, it's a bluish black base versus a green black base like the number 44 Better Black is. So, first thing we're going to do is come and draw somewhat a shape of a raven here. You know, where you got a tail. Tail comes in. Wings go out. Target head. Alright, so I'm not going to do this like a traditional line pleat fold. It's going to actually be a symmetrical folding of shapes. It'll produce a mandala feather-like pattern. what's happening is I'm creating a whole bunch of symmetrics all over it, where they layer and box in on themselves. And then we're going to split the Raven Black down into 3 different shades of Raven Black. We're going to use a light shade, and then a medium shade, and then a full strength shade. That way we can get different layers of texture in the saturation dyeing process. So when you're doing saturation dyeing, you want to start with a light color into your next dark color and a darker color, because essentially you're just pouring the color onto it. Good. Alright, well there's that, so we'll take a quick break and we'll be back with Raven Black. Welcome back to Raven Black. The first thing we're going to start with is get our outline together here. experiment in Raven Black saturation dyeing. Hi, I'm Benjamin.
I'm Jeremy.
And we're here at the Jammin On Studios. So yesterday we did a demonstration on Raven Black, where we did a big giant raven blocking out the sun, creating big raven rays. So hopefully it all came out right. We're gonna give you a reveal here. So it's still soaking wet because this was a process called submersion dyeing, where the whole piece is tied up.
The other side.
You can go like this.
Dude, this thing's heavy and huge.
Okay, that's the top. So you take it that way.
Alright.
I'll take it this way. You ready?
Oh, this thing is heavy.
Raven Black, ladies and gentlemen.
Raven Black from Dharma.
All right, let's get this in the water pocket like the train.
Eat it. Eat it. Dude, this thing is huge.
Well, I don't think anybody's ever seen a large-scale piece done like that with a submersion, where it's just, you saw I was just pouring it on with jugs, you know. So